Okay, so tuone how to create business intelligent web system kwa kutumia Python programming language na Django. Django ni free open source web framework kwa ajili ya kutengeneza applications za Python. Hii ni episode number 7. Kwenye episode hii tutaona how to create simple analytics ambayo tutatumia statistical functions kama vile maximum, minimum pamoja na other metrics za central tendency. Central tendency ni measure ya kucheki vipi dataset zetu zipo katika vizio kadhaa. Cha kwanza ni median, mean, we have mode pamoja na summation, max pamoja na minimum value. Hizi ni central tendency. So sisi tutaenda kutumia summation. Summation ni built-in function inayopatikana katika Python programming language under library inaitwa NumPy. So kwenye NumPy kuna function inaitwa sum, average, mean, mode. Hizi zinaitwa ni central tendency. So tunaenda kutengeneza simple web application. Tunatumia Python na Django kwa ajili ya ku display metrics. Metrics hizi ni data ambazo zinatoka kwenye database. Tunaenda kucheki requested loan, total requested loan. This is summation. Total interest summation. Total actual debt pamoja na total cash receivable. Hizi zote ni summation. Again, we are going to create a table. This table is material design. Tutatumia free open source data table inaitwa full table. Full table inafanya kazi ya ku-add material design katika application. Kama unavyoona table yetu, unaweza kaifilter na inaonekana namna hii. Again, tutaenda kutumia Plotly. Plotly ni free open source data exploration and visualization tool ambayo ina lot of visualization graphs. So hii simple bar graph. Again, tutaenda kutumia normal graph kwenye other tutorials. Okay, so Plotly unaona ina number of graphs. Hii ni normal graph, ni box plot. Okay, so today tunatengeneza hii simple analytics. Simple analytics kwa ajili ya kuonyesha business trend. First, ku check summation of loan, requested amount, interest, debt, actual debt na cash receivable. Table kwa you display hiyo pamoja na kuonyesha hii graph. Okay, so kwenye previous episode tuliona how to create links kama hizi na how to create admin. Nikiklik kwenye admin, this is the admin site. Hawa ni customers. Okay, so tulishia hapa kwenye previous episode number 6. Tuliona how to create models, how to install and kufanya configurations za admin theme. Tulitumia open source library ya Jasmine. Okay, na hizi ni just models zetu. Na tuliona how to set icons kwenye hizi models. Now ni just customers na hizi hapa ni loans. So now you can add more customers katika set yako. Just click add customer. Now you can add customer. Then after adding customer, now you can add a loan. Now add a loan, you can add a loan. You can set your business target now. Here click on target, set business target. Now you can add department, click on department. Here you can add a department. Okay, after doing so now kuja kufanya hichi kitu hapa katika hii site. Cha kwanza ni kudisplay what here hapo ni simple analytics. Hii page ndio tutaitengeneza today. Okay, so access your project, njoo kwenye source code, then open analytics. Okay, so analytics.html. Hii analytics ndio tunaoja kuonyesha hichi kitu hapa. Okay, kwenye hii analytics. Again, open Bootstrap. Kwenye Bootstrap, then access I think card. Access card. This is card. Okay, this is card. This is card. Okay, kwenye card is in number of cards. Number of cards. Okay, any card ndio chagua hapo kwenye hii Bootstrap. Okay, now we need for example this card. Now you can copy source code. Source code imeanzia hapa. Now copy it. Come to our source code. Delete this analytics. Then div class container. Let's choose container. This is normal container, not container free. Sub container free inakuwa na full width. Okay, so now div class is only container, and now close a div. Okay, after closing now, you can paste hii hapo card. Okay, now come to analytics. First let's stop this project, control C, nimestopisha, now close it. Tuna run our project. Okay, now come to our project, downloads, then project name is my project, njoo kwenye hii address bar, then write cmd. Okay, cmd hii hapo, then python, then manage.py, then run server, then click enter, then itarun project yetu kwenye default IP address ambayo ni hii. Okay, so now good. When you come to our project hapo, then andika hiyo address. Okay, then access analytics, access web page hii hapa tulisema ni home. This is home, let's click enter. Okay, this is home, I think bado ina load. Okay, this is home, but access analytics. Okay, this is analytics. Of course nimefuta zile items zake, analytics ndio hii. So now save changes kwenye analytics. Now come to refresh and output. Now you can see this is header imesha appear hapa. So now issue ni kufanya design. So design na take time sana. Mimi sina muda wa kufanya design. So kwa wewe utafanya design. Kufanya design maana yake weka rangi unayotaka. So mfano kama hapa, hii div class container hii, naweza nikaseti background. Okay, background for example naweza kusema bg dark, afu hizi text nikaweka bg white. Okay, white. Okay, na hii card title nikasema text white au text primary. Okay, text primary. So nikisave changes, nikija ku refresh na output utakuja kuona imeonekana hivi. Nikitaka kuweka space, maana kwenye space hii card hapa naongeza attribute margin top mt2. Nikisave changes, nikija ku refresh and output itashuka chini kidogo. Umeona imeshuka chini. Sasa hizi ni settings ambazo zifanya mwenyewe, of course huaga inachukua muda sana design. So mimi nachukua source code, of course kwenye templates, kwenye analytics hapo, nikiclick analytics. Okay, hizi hapa. Okay, na copy, of course ni copy hii yote, nitaielezea. Of course sina muda kuandika code. Okay, mpaka hapa mwisho wa script. Okay, now copy it, now come to duplicate. Maana hichi kipande nitakitoa, paste it. Okay, div class container ndo ile, margin top equal to 4. Okay, now kwenye card, display card kama ile card ambayo tuliweka pale ya Bootstrap ndo ile ile, ila hapa tumeiformat, una shadow na nini. Then this is the total requested amount. Hii inatoka kwenye database. Okay, toka kwenye database. This is the total interest inatoka kwenye database. Total actual debt toka kwenye database ambayo ni hii, ambazo tuna display hapo. Na hii ni just a table ambayo imekaa chini yake, na hii ni just chini yake kuna graph na graph. So now access source code, come to views.py, and then access page now return analytics. So access analytics. Where is analytics? This is analytics. Okay, so from analytics now copy the source code. Okay, hadi hapa ambapo na return. Okay, so now copy it, ndio kwenye katika views.py. Okay, so where is the views? Hii hapa. Okay, so from views hii hapa ni analytics hii hapa. Okay, hapo kwenye analytics na ipaste sasa ile ambayo nimeicopy, na ipaste hapo. Okay, after pasting now hii inakuwa ina kazi kwa sababu hapa isha return render. So na delete. Okay, kwa namna hii. Okay, then this is the customer, this is the px. Of course na wazonekani loan sum na nini, inabidi nizi import kule juu. So nakuja katika source code, nakuja huko juu. Okay, I think from source code then copy all, then uja hapa na paste. Okay, ya post. Okay, maana yake ni kwamba hii nini, from Django import render, import customer loan, from forms.loan. I think hii bado hajaifika huko, na hii bado hajafika, just ni comment. HTTP response direct, import message and so on. Import count from numpy. Numpy ni library ambayo tulisema ndani yake ina descriptive functions, sum, min, average, mode and so on. Okay, kwa ajili ya kufanya central tendency. Ipo library hasa ambayo ina hizo statistic functions. Plot kwa ajili ya graph. Na stats, kuna sum, kuna plot, kuna grow kwa ajili ya kuonyesha normal distribution. And then hapa sasa nakuja kuangalia hizo kodi zangu na hamna error yoyote. Okay? Now, save changes. Now come to refresh and output. Refresh it. Refresh again. Okay, I think check. Okay, so come to return analysis.html. I think it may return, and let's come here. Okay, let's go save changes. You know, let's go save changes. Now save changes. Now refresh and output. Now you can see we have total requested amount, total interest, total actual debt, total cash receivable. Hizi ni informations ambazo ni ndogo sana. Okay, hii ni data table, material design data table. Okay, na tuna single item ambayo ni hii hapo. Okay, I think itakuwa tabu sana sababu kuna baadhi ya kodi sijazielezea. Okay, so now hii hapa ni div class container. Margin top is 4, margin top is 4. This is div class row, this is div class card shadow, and this is row. Okay, and so on. Hizi HTML sinaja kuzielezea HTML. Okay, so hizi ni card headers and total requested amount ambayo ni hii hapa, total requested amount. Kiwango hiki ndio kile ambacho kimelewa kwenye database hizo na kwenye code. Total requested amount ni formatted sum total requested amount. Mbona kwenye views, total requested amount ni hii hapa. Kwanza kabisa tumefetch data from database. Okay, then tukaja fanya aggregation. Aggregation ni function kama sum, min, mode na nyinginezo. Hizo ni aggregation. Total requested amount ni sawa na summation ya requested amount, interest summation, total actual debt summation ya actual debt, total cash receivable ni summation. Then tukaformat summation of is data kwa kutumia Tanzania shillings monetary representation, ambayo ni tumetumia total requested amount equal to e two functions is 2 decimal points Tanzania shillings, 2 decimal points, as you see 2 decimal points. If I'm going to take 1 decimal points, now I can move to 1 decimal point. Is monetary representation dot format no format requested amount or 0 if no data. Okay, na hii hapa ni, let's put 1 decimal point and 1 decimal point, and this one is 1 decimal point. Okay, and customer with loans, fetch data for customer who have taken a loan. Okay, so customer with loan equal to customer.object may filter all object distant. Hii ni select from 2 tables. Select data from 2 tables where data from one table also exists in another table. So hii inaitwa ni aggregation query. You combine 2 tables into a single query na return 2 tables. But value you exist kwenye mother table also exist kwenye child table, but in distinct unique value. This is a query. Okay, and then get frequencies of each resident for customer with loan. So this frequency is for bar graph. Okay, so resident frequency equal to customers with loan value. We take resident from a database. Okay, and we create a simple bar graph. Use plotly express bar graph. Usane px is plotly, then access bar. Nikibonyeza control nikaihold, nikiclick on bar. Now good. This is a bar. On bar there's a set of parameters. Data frame. Okay, x is the observation, y is frequency. You can set color, pattern, shape, facet, and hover, and so many labels, opacity, and so on. Okay, we have a timeline chart. We have another chart is a histogram. Okay, and on histogram you can set the data frame and so on. We have another chart is this ACDF, and we have another chart is violin. Okay, this is the violin graph. When we have another chart is box plot. Okay, and another chart is strip. Another chart is scatter. Okay, scatter plot. Another chart is line 3-dimension. Okay, there are so many scatter ternary. So si tumetumia bar. So kija katika views na bar, when you control nikai hold click on px, you can see this is a px. This is the plotly. On plotly we have so many. We have with scatter, we have this one line geographical data, area chart, bar chart, timeline, box, strip, histogram, also zimekuwa defined hapa. Ni click on box, italeta kwenye hii class ambayo imedefine all graphs. Kwa manake nini? Manake hii kwenye views nime access bar graph nimeassign kwenye px, then access bar, then this is x imeshakuwa defined na y imeshakuwa defined, title also defined, label defined. So usiweke kitu ambacho kilikuwa defined katika ile file itarun error. So vyote tunavyoona hivi vimekuwa defined. Okay, in customize layout. Layout manake kushow grid. Umeona grid color is light gray. Okay, categorical then and so on. So grid color is light gray. What is grid color? Is color grids. For now we have only single one region, that is Tanga, for a customer who takes a loan. Okay, tuna only single customer will take a loan from Tanga. Akitokea mtu mwingine ita just kuonyesha frequency. For example, kama hapa just current frequency, the resident ya customer will take a loan frequency is 1. Only one customer, .NET. Okay. Okay, so no good. And so on, so on. Then hapa kuja kuonyesha just y axis, title of frequency, also show grid is true, and grid color this one. Also show legend. Legend is customer resident. What is the legend? I think legend, this one is customer resident. I think is legend, no, it's paid. And so on and so on. Here we convert plotly graph to read kwenye template. Kuread hapa, hii inakuwa read kwenye template. Inaporead huko inarudi kama HTML. How to convert? We use bar graph.toHTML to convert plot. Ipo kwenye format ya JSON hapo kwenda kwenye HTML. Full equal to false. Now you can see full equal to true. You can put true and come to refresh and output. Now full is true now. Full is true. Okay. Let's see, zoom it. Full is true. Okay. Okay. So and so on and so on. So now you can see hii ndio inavyoonekana sasa hivi. Okay. Now nikija kwenye database, kija kwenye admin. Okay. So now access admin. Okay. On admin login, good. Add another customer. This is, we have only single customer, and let add customer, another customer. Okay, another customer. So okay, no problem. So kwa taka add customer, kini ita add kwenye page ya add. So kwenye another episode we kucheck how to create how to add customer kwa kutumia customer interface kule. Hii ni admin, lakini set ya customer, add customer kwa kutumia class form.